I went back to learning CapCut. Let me show you the Slidewave zoom transition. It's actually an animation that I've added, or two animations, one for each clip. Let me cut this short here using the split tool, B. We just need a short segment. For the first one, I go to Animation Combo and I search for Slidewave. When you add it, you can see two adjustment options right here, and these are for start and end point. When you drag the right slider towards the left, it's going to keep it at the start, but it's going to make it vanish at the end. In our case, we want to have it a different direction, so I drag the left slider to the right, maybe like 2 seconds. So we've got the regular clip, and then the slide wave. Then we select the second clip, and here we want to go to animation and then in. Just pick a zoom. I go with zoom 1, left click on it. I want to make that a bit longer, like 1 second. And this should automatically add it to the in position of the second clip as we are under animation and in. And that's all there is. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.